In this video, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison between two of my favorite travel backpacks, the Osprey Farpoint 40 and the Tortuga Setout 35. And if you like videos about minimalistic one-bag travel, then please subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. These are two of the best travel backpacks I've tested so far. You really can't go wrong with either of them. But there are some major differences in style and design, so let me break it all down for you. The main fabric on the Setout and the Farpoint is a high denier polyester with some nylon accents on the Farpoint on the front and the sides of the bag. The Setout is treated with a durable water resist coating, which makes the bag water resistant, but it's not waterproof. Both of these bags, if you want to keep out the rain, you're going to have to buy the additional rain cover. Both of these bags use large YKK zippers on all of the external pockets and compartments, with locking zippers on both the main and the laptop compartments. The Farpoint uses a large number 10 YKK zipper, while the Setout has a slightly smaller number 8s. Now let me show you the differences in the external components on these bags. They both have a top-facing front organizational pocket. They open all the way to the bottom of the pack, making these two compartments a great place to store large bulky items like sweatshirts or jacket. The large front pocket on the Setout is designed like a school backpack. It has a ton of further organizational zipper pockets and dividers. While the Farpoint only has one large mesh pocket for storing small items. This is also where you're going to store the laptop compartment. Both of these packs have compression straps, but they're located on different sides of the bag. The Setout has 4 total straps, 2 on each side of the bag. I like this design because they're sewn below the zippers, so they offer you good compression without being in the way of the zipper on the main compartment. The Farpoint instead has 2 compression straps that come across the top of the bag. These don't do a good job on compressing the bag from the top and the bottom. Instead, they compress it from the side. Instead of staying away from the zippers like on the Setout, these straps are attached to a fabric flap that runs along the entire length of the zipper. This is good for security because it keeps your zipper completely hidden, but you have to fold down this flap every time you want to access the main compartment. Both of these packs have water bottle pockets, but their design is completely different. The Setout has one pocket located on the side of the pack, made from a stretchy mesh material. It's not super big, but it can easily hold my skinny 27-ounce water bottle without falling out. The pockets on the Farpoint instead are located on the front of the bag. They're a little bit bigger in this updated version, but they're still too small. I find they don't hold my water bottle very tightly, and it tends to fall out when I turn the pack. And then finally, the front-facing slash pockets. There's not much going on either of these pockets. The pocket on the Farpoint is a little bit bigger than the pocket on the Setout, but neither of them have any further internal dividers. And they're really great places to store small, easy access items like sunglasses or keys. Now let me show you where to store the laptop in these packs. The Setout has a dedicated laptop compartment on the back of the bag, while the Farpoint uses a laptop sleeve located in the front compartment. The compartment on the Setout is much better. It's a large padded pocket on the back of the bag with top opening access and a locking zipper. The laptop compartment is well padded and sewn into the middle of the bag with a false bottom that keeps it away from the sides and the back of the bag. There's also a lot of padding on the back here behind the backpack straps. The Farpoint, on the other hand, has a laptop sleeve that's located in the front compartment. This isn't the best location for it, as your laptop tends to stick out, especially in the corners, and it doesn't offer a lot of padding or protection up here. It also throws off your weight distribution with this much weight located away from your center of gravity. Now let's have a look at the backpack carry system. Both of these bags have shoulder straps and hip belts that you can stow away behind a fabric panel, but they both use a completely different design. They both have thick padded shoulder straps, wide comfortable hip belts, and top load adjusters and sternum straps that helps to adjust the bag and keep it closer to your back. The Setout has the thickest padding in the shoulder strap with a firm injection molded foam, which has great breathability, covered with a see-through mesh. The straps on the Farpoint are comfortable, but have slightly less padding than the Setout, with a breathable mesh on the back of the straps. You can stow the backpack straps away on both of these packs. On the Setout, the shoulder straps detach from the bottom of the bag, and you can tuck them into this top access flap. The hip belts are removable with these Velcro straps. The straps on the Osprey are also removable, but instead of a top access pocket, they have this fabric flap located in the bottom of the bag. The backpack straps and the hip belt stay attached to the pack, and you simply use this zipper to secure them behind this fabric flap. I found the comfort carry to be pretty similar between these two packs. The shoulder straps and the hip belts are nice and wide and comfortable. There's a lot of easy adjusting top load adjusters, sternum straps, nice wide adjustable padded hip belts. However, there's one major design flaw with the Osprey Farpoint. The laptop compartment, instead of being located in the back of the bag, like on the Setout, it's located on the front compartment. This keeps the center of gravity away from your back and throws off the weight distribution. Now let's have a look at the interior components and design. Both bags open completely and lay flat, similar to a suitcase. The Setout opens from the side, while the Farpoint opens from the top. They both have a large compartment on one side of the bag to store a majority of your clothes. The Setout has two smaller zippered mesh pockets on the lid, while the Farpoint has one larger mesh pocket. There are two internal compression straps on the Farpoint, but it's a good idea to use packing cubes on both of these bags. In summary, both of these bags are solid travel backpacks. They're made using great quality hardware materials from companies with great warranties. They both have comfortable backpack carry systems that you can stow away, as well as a laptop compartment with full opening interiors and good organizational compartments. Both packs have laptop compartments, but the Setout has the best design. It has more padding, easier access, and better weight distribution. The Farpoint has the most size options of these packs. It has a men and a women's version, each with two size options, so almost everybody will find a comfortable fit with one of these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Osprey Farpoint 40 or the Tortuga Setout 35, then please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And if you like videos like this, bag reviews, comparisons, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.